so today is another little, hopefully, animal rescue. This little guy, poor thing, just hit my window. So I'm going to see if I can help him. As you can see, he's still alive. I can see him breathing. So hopefully he's just stunned. Okay. I have my box ready with a little towel at the bottom, and I've got my blue gloves on for protection and sanitation. When I picked him up, he immediately opened his eyes and flipped over in my hand. So I gently laid him in the box, and hopefully he can rest a little bit, feel better, and then fly away when he's ready. I put the box up and away so no predators could come and take advantage of the situation. And I put a little bit of bird seed in the box too, in case he feels better and he wants a snack. I'll check back here in just a little bit, see how he's doing. Hopefully maybe bring him some water or something if he wants. And I hope he's just dazed and he'll feel better soon. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Came out to see how our little friend is doing. And he or she is still relaxing in the box. Seems a little bit better. Still breathing, moving, eyes blinking. So close up. So still resting. All right, I'll check back again in a few. Okay, it's time to check on our friend. Oh my goodness. Oh, he seems much better. Much more alert. All right, we'll let him rest a little longer. Perhaps next time we come back, we might find an empty box. Okay, time to check on our little friend. Well, looks like he's all better. He must have flown off.